Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna take the long way to work, not the long way home. We're gonna take that baby seat to a city about 60 k's away to somebody that needs it. Let's see what we find on the way. Yes, and we're live. Put some music on. Ooh, there's our neighbor. Bona! We're taking the scenic route. Let's check the tire pressure. 2.3, 2.9. The front is a bit underinflated, the back is a bit overinflated. I've been having trouble with these RDS tire pressure monitor sensors. Let me know in the comment section below if you've also had problems with them on this bike. They don't seem to show the right value. I think the 2.9 is actually a 2.6, 2.7 because that's what I inflated it to. And the 2.3 is about a 2.1. But let me know if you also found that they don't show the right things. Old lady crossing the road. Gotta turn left here. Men hard at work, demolishing something. As you can see, no lines on the road because in Romania we make our own rules about how to drive, on which side, how to overtake. We don't need no lines telling us what to do. Woo, very bumpy. Music's very good. The weather's really nice. We had a very long winter and now all of a sudden in the middle of the day we get 30 degrees Celsius. That's like almost 1,000 for you Americans, or whatever Fahrenheit is. 1,000,000 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's pretty pleasant. Oh. Gotta be careful at these intersections. You never know who's coming around the corner with like 70 k's an hour. My God, it's bumpy. This is a huge hole there. There's another huge hole. These are a lot of fun during the night when you don't see any of them. They put them in there especially so you don't get bored while you're riding. And this one, we put a branch in it because this is an important one. There's a guy having a beer at 9 o'clock in the morning. And here is the main road to Slatina. That is the city that we're going to. Yes, cross the road. Don't worry, nobody's going really fast. Cool, so another 58 kilometers to go. Oil, lots of oil on the road. Again, so that we don't get bored while we ride. See, this is why riding a bike in Romania or mainly in Eastern Europe is a lot of fun. It's completely different to riding a bike in the States, in Western Europe, where everything is pretty much civilized. This is sort of our version of a truck stop. Whoa, and it's very windy. My God, it's really windy here. Whoa! It's windy and those trucks leave a wake when they go past. This is quickly becoming not such a fun ride. Got another 49 kilometers. Let's try overtake. Didn't die this time, so that's a success. If you notice, we're actually traveling right through the middle of this little town here, and that's pretty much how all little towns in Romania are constructed. There's one main road that goes straight through the middle of the town instead of going around it, and everyone has to slow down. Speed traps everywhere. 45 kilometers left, and we've got another 68 kilometer range. There's a horse-drawn carriage. If you haven't seen that in 1,000 years, that's what it looks like. We've got lots of them around here. I think we actually have all of them. Update, 31 kilometers left. And then another 60 back. What is this guy selling? Petrol. He's selling petrol. Or gas, as some of you might say. Selling gas. Gas is actually a gas. It's not a liquid. It's called petrol or diesel or other forms of liquid. Gas is a gas. Just saying. Yes, no wind, 2 lanes, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. He's not going, is he now? There we go, thank you. Good now. And we're doing it now again. Quick shift to the rescue, quick shift again to the rescue. Again, I cannot stress how helpful this quick shifter is, especially when overtaking. Okay, kilometer update, 22 kilometers left, we're getting there. 22 kilometers on a highway should take you about 10 minutes. 22 kilometers in Romania will take you 22 minutes. Guess what that is? And that, I'm not going to tell you, but I'll give you a hint. Every little town that we've passed has one. You know what every little town that we've passed doesn't have? Medical facilities. We don't need those when we have so many churches around. Well, we got 15 kilometers left. We should stop and phone this guy. So the story with him is pretty simple. He's a stranger. I've never met him before. Found him on OLX or Craigslist that some of you might have. I was trying to sell one of my PlayStation games. God of War, if you haven't played it and you enjoy video games, go play that. It's amazing. And he ended up being a really pleasant, funny guy, which I appreciate. And he said he just his 2-month-old daughter was born and he didn't have one of these baby seats, and I had an extra one, so I'm throwing that in with the game as well. So I decided that a little trip before work this morning wasn't a bad idea either, and that's why we're here now. But I wasn't planning on the wind. You see, if I knew about the wind, I would have thought twice. 12 kilometers left. Where is the city? Shouldn't we see it by now? The city of Slatina. Oh, stinks. No, they're tarring. That's why it stinks. There's some gypsies. It's not a baby in that pram. That's metal. Metal is valuable. See, big ass trucks riding right through the middle of the city. This is what good city planning looks like. Let's take a left here. Alright, let's find a place to pull over and call Mike. Let's pull over here. Let's hope that Mike answers. Would be funny if he wasn't answering. And he's not. What do we do now? Let's call him again. Oh, there he is calling us. Mihai.
Salut!
Okay, let's go meet Mike. Mike seems to work at the courthouse. Maybe Mike's a lawyer. Why is this guy driving so slow? I think he heard me. And we're taking a right. Seems like it's around here somewhere. That is City Hall over there. If you didn't see it, we'll take a look at it again. This is what City Hall looks like in Slatina. And this should be the courthouse. Let's just pull over here. Mike's gonna be 5 minutes late. Just got back home and obviously it's raining. Look at that. It's not raining very hard, but still got wet and the jacket got wet. But we were lucky on the road today. So what did we do today? Unfortunately the GoPro battery died, so we didn't get to see Michael. Well, you didn't get to see Michael, I got to see Michael. Michael was a fun kind of guy, just as I thought. He really enjoyed his baby seat, he really enjoyed his game. I'm very happy that I took this trip as well. Never gonna go riding when there's heavy wind again. It's absolutely horrible, especially with the helmet up. I really don't like riding with the helmet down. I hope you guys are enjoying this journey with me of seeing what riding a motorbike in Eastern Europe is like, specifically in Romania. So I hope it is pretty educational to you, and I also hope you also have a lot of fun. As always, if you guys did enjoy yourselves watching this video, hit that like button. Also think about subscribing, it really does help out a lot. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.